This is the side garden in the inside of the backyard. This is flanked by two arborvitaes, and this corner has become my favorite. The new addition here is this paraplu violet, and the foxgloves are looking gracious in here. Beautiful. I cannot wait for the background with the thin and arborvitaes to be big and green and luscious. The Shasta Daisy is at its prime. Beautiful. Backed up by the original hydrangea. I am really liking this combination. I actually cut up some of the Shasta Daisies for a bouquet, but look how many still I have. This is beautiful. The other original hydrangea has not flowered, but I moved it last year here to this location, so I'm gonna give it this year to rest, and I know next year it's gonna perform. Also, this one sees less sun, so I'm not gonna be mad about it. Let's just let it be. And this side, this is the Nico blue, but it's pink, and I think it's just because of my soil, but it's okay. I like it anyways. Some of the foxgloves, they are falling down because, again, it's really shaded in this section of the garden. This original hydrangea put some small blooms, but for the most part, it did not perform as usual. But again, the 3 of these hydrangeas were moved, and these 2 don't get that much sun, only 2 to 3 hours in the middle of the day. I really like how this flower bed looks now. This is the Dream Cloud hydrangea. This one is performing amazing. Beautiful. And I love how the ferns are showing up. The carex and the boxwood hedge is looking very put together, very I don't know, I'm loving the vibe. This is one of the gardens that took me longer to do, but I'm loving it. And these are the trailing begonias that I got the corms from Longfield Gardens in Costco. Love them. I really like them. I think they're really cute. Even if they don't flower, those leaves are really beautiful. And this one is Alice oak leaf hydrangea. Does not have too many blooms because I pruned it late last year, and I also moved it, so totally my fault. And the sunshine ligustrum looking okay, but I moved all those plants. This also is a brand new flower bed. All the plants were added this spring. Yes, the poppy I planted from seed, and it's looking very nice. This is the penstemon that I planted last year from seed, and it's growing out. These are some cuffias that I also planted from seed. This is Señorita Rosalita Cleome. I know I have too many plants in here, but I wanted to look full. Usually the first year garden bed are not too appealing to me, so I actually cramped in everything I could. I have a bunch of perennial annuals in there, but I like it. I really like it. My hydrangeas are growing and showing up, so cannot complain. This one is the Quickfire Fab, and it is one of the first panicle hydrangeas, besides the firelight that is now in bloom for me, and spring season. This one is a beautiful arborescent one. This is incredible Lamera. I need more of the limera in my garden, for sure. This one is a puffer fish, buttered up, and the incredible. And this, yeah, I planted last year for from a quart size, and the limera as well. So they have done pretty well. This is the first season in the garden. Over here planting the fountain. This is the Enchantress hydrangea from Morovia. And the color couldn't be more beautiful. This one is Less Dance Can from Proven Winner, which is now Less Dance Cancel. This is a fox glove that I planted last year and is now flowering. And this is another Enchantress hydrangea that I got this year. And I cannot wait for all of this flower bed to become hydrangea. It's gonna be amazing. This I wanted to show you because now I have a bunny as a resident in my garden. And look what it did to this plant. I forgot the name. It's a sweet box or something like that. It was amazing. It was beautiful. And now it's chewed up, cut up, looking mingy. So I had to put it on top of a table and see if they stop eating it. I cannot believe it. I also have a bunch of yarrows that I planted from seeds and they ate it. I don't know what to do. But anyways, this is how the plant used to look. And this is how the other one looks. Thankfully, I realized it on time and I took this one from over there. Excuse me ranting, and thank you for being here with me today. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.